Life's a coat of many colors. It is never black and white.
In this episode, I make a garland from tiny trees in the dollar section, and I tell the story of why I lost 20 pounds.
Without the light.
I got these jeans at Anthropologie. At the time that I bought them, I was a size 30 and I bought a size 28. I do that all the time. I have this philosophy that if you buy the jeans that have stretch in them, they work like Spanx. They just suck everything in and then you just wear a flowy top. That's what I've been doing for years. Until I bought this pair of jeans right here. The thing that I wasn't expecting, they zip up on the side. Normally I buy jeans that zip up in the middle. I put them on the next day. I go to the restroom and the zipper is stuck. I can only get it down about this much right here. Okay, don't panic. I have this thing about being stuck in my clothes. I do not like feeling like I'm trapped because it gives me a claustrophobic feeling. I found all of these pink trees in the dollar section at Target. This whole project right here costs $4. This whole project you can make for $7. If you go to the dollar section, they have a bunch of these trees. They're pink and they're glittery and there's green ones.
I went to the dollar section of my local Target and purchased 7 tiny trees. They come in 2 colors. I chose the pink ones.
Okay, don't freak out. I'm trying to wiggle the zipper down and it won't come down. 10 minutes go by, 15 minutes go by. All right, and then I'm starting to panic. You cannot do this for much longer. What do? I can just go get a pair of scissors and I will cut myself out of these jeans. I had just bought the jeans and they were over $100. Well, no, don't go there yet. If you have to wet your pants, then you do, but it'll give you more time and then you can figure out a different solution. Do I get the scissors? Do I wet my pants? You just take fabric and you rip it up, you tie it around the trees, and you have an amazing garland for your window.
You do something to me, babe, 'cause when I see you, I illuminate. You turn my lemon.
Cut a few inches into the fabric and rip it until you reach the other end. It will tear in a straight line as long as you cut along one of the salvaged edges. Cut 7 strips, 1 for each tree, and set aside.
I started pulling on the zipper like this, slowly, tooth by tooth, inching the zipper down. I figured if I break the zipper, I can have the zipper replaced. And I get it down 1 tooth at a time, and I get another inch down, and then I get another 1.5 inches down. And I finally get to the place because they have so much stretch in them that I was able to roll the jeans off of my hip, slowly just shimmied out of the jeans, and I just peeled them off like a banana, and I got out.
Find the center point of each fabric strip and tie tightly around the middle of every tree, leaving the loose ends so you can tie all of the trees together when you're done. Lined up my trees and tied the ends together loosely so I could adjust the distance between the trees and even them out after my garland was hanging in place.
Life's a coat of many colors.
I decided to hang up the garland in my bedroom, attaching the loose ends to each side of my headboard.
One without the other, the dark without the light.
After that, I had a talk talk with myself. It motivated me to try and figure out how to lose some weight. I have battled with my weight my whole life. Most of the time I've been able to keep it under control, but since I hit 50, it was just super hard. I had a closet full of clothes that did not fit. Been going to the gym for a year. I only was able to lose 5 pounds. What else can I do? I didn't want to throw all the clothes away in my closet, and I decided to try the keto diet. They fit now. Yeah, I lost 20 pounds. It's not only helped me lose weight, but I have way more energy and a lot of health issues have improved. Right now, I'm wearing a size 25, but really I'm a size 27, 26. Let me know in the comments if you have tried the keto diet or if you've ever made a garland out of tiny Christmas trees. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
You do something to me, babe. Cause when I see you, I illuminate.
If you like this video, ring the bell and subscribe so you'll be notified when my new video posts next week. Thanks for watching.
I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it.